we continue with our next speaker. Sorry, I need to bring up the who is Daniel Lazkani Feferman from the Brazilian Institute CPQD, and he will present OAI and ONF's Ether orchestrator integration and FlexRig XApp for KPI monitoring.
Where's the control?
Well, the best is you just.
Oh, okay. Do you have the light? Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. Well, everyone. So basically, we're gonna present the integration of Ether with OAI and using the FlexRig KPIs monitoring. So these are really short of what we're gonna present there, the demo. But this is the architecture. So basically, we have a real UE and the USRP with OAI, GNodeB SA connected to the FlexRig, and then the database as a Postgres and Grafana. We implemented 2 new KPIs for these, which is the RSRP and the throughput. And then we connect our architecture with Ether and SD core to get to the internet. So basically, we have these in our setup outside. I invite everyone to check, to take a look at what we got. And then just to show, so this is some of the graphs that we got there. We got a really nice video of how Ether can orchestrate and decrease and increase the throughput of the slice. And the new KPIs and other stuff that we can present. Just a small presentation. We got something bigger, but to be really fast in 5 minutes, this is how we are working.
Thank you.